Morning everybody, my name's Darren Brown. My main jobs every day is to make sure that all the quality is there for the customer, make sure health and safety commitments are all met, and just make sure everything keeps flowing in the way it needs to be. First thing in the morning, I'll go over the production, see what we have to do. Obviously, in production yard, we run beams, hollowcore, and we're doing lock blocks, which is a new setup that we're doing. My main concerns are checking the molds, curing times, and making sure the yard is flowing properly. Hollowcore is a big part of what we do. The team have got it down to a fine art, from preparing the beds, cutting the lengths of the slabs, and also keeping a keen eye and attention to detail, including the stretching of the wires and the concrete compaction, no shortcuts in the plank shed. We also run block and beams in production, which is pretty much non-stop. The beam process might look simple, but every beam has to hit its exact dimensions and strengths for curing for a safe floor on site. It's not always plain sailing in the floor span yards. Things crop up, weather, curing delays, equipment hiccups, but that's my job. Try and spot it early, sort it fast, and keep the production line flowing. Lock blocks are a new production for us, and demand is growing. So we're always adapting in the yard to make space, organise deliveries, and make sure stock is ready when needed. In regards to the Eco Frog, it's very good. It's a new thing we've had on site. It helps us recycle waste product that we wouldn't naturally get back, and it's also good for the environment. It saves costs, and it's a good quality product that we can reuse and put back into our lock blocks and mixers, and it is just greener for the environment and better for all of us. My job's a busy job, but it's satisfying. At the end of the day, make sure that everything looks good, production targets are all met, the lads are all happy, but most of all, the quality is there for the schools, the hospitals, and it's something to be proud of at the end of the day.